Welcome to the Cine Genix AI training video series. This tutorial will show you how to create a video from a product in Cine Genix AI. Go to the left menu and click on Create. Now choose Product to Video. Here you can create a product video from the product URL. Just add the URL and click on the Apply URL. And your product information will be imported. You can add images or remove any image. Choose VoiceOver type. Ratio of your video. Language. And purpose. Click on Generate and your video will be open in Video Editor. Here you can customize your video.
Mornings right with the Melita Aroma Taco Thermal Drip Coffee Maker. Brew up to 8.
You can add background music to your video. Volume. Caption. Font color. And position of text. You can replace any slides with the Replace option. You can search and replace any scene. You can search scene from stock image, from AI, or upload from your local. And your slide will be replaced.
Start your mornings right with the Melita Aroma Taco.
Click on Export and your video will be ready. You can manage your video in the Manage Video section. Here you can view your video.
Start your mornings right with the Melita Aroma Taco Thermal Drip Coffee Maker. Brew up to 8 cups of delicious coffee with just a touch of.
Share your video on social sites. Download. Edit your video. Or delete it. Thanks for watching the video.